What's up, everybody? It's your favorite lender, the only LO you should know, Dominique Long, aka Real Estate Dom. Feel free to follow me on all social media websites at Real Estate Dom. And remember, buy, sell, or refi, I'm your guy. No matter where you stay, we can help you in all 50 states. So feel free to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can stay up to date on all things real estate. Now, with this being the start of a new month, I'll start by saying here at Team Real Estate Dom, we do appreciate all the partners we get the pleasure of working with, but we want to give special recognition when special recognition is due. And this month's Partner of the Month award goes to Miss Tammy Rosen. Me and Tammy were able to get 2 deals closed this month for around $600K in volume. So Tammy, we do appreciate you. Your clients were a pleasure to work with. You were a pleasure to work with. And we do look forward to working with you in the future. Everybody give Tammy of eXp Realty a round of applause. On the agenda for this week, not only are we going to have the quote of the week, not only are we going to talk about interest rates, and not only are we going to talk about what I'm seeing in the market, this week's special topic is the documentation you will need to be pre-approved for your home loan. So make sure you stick around until the end of the video, and I'm going to go over all the documents you'll need to be pre-approved for your home loan. You know how we like to start things off with a little motivational quote to get those juices going for the week. And this week's motivational quote comes straight from Theodore Roosevelt. Believe you can and you're halfway there. Guys, this is an extremely powerful quote because mindset is half the battle. If you believe you can, you're halfway there. So let's not let any negativity creep into our minds this week. Let's think positive and make sure we're getting the job done. Let's take a look at these interest rates. Right now, for clients who want a fixed mortgage who have great credit, your interest rate would be somewhere around the 6% range. If you're struggling with credit, your interest rate would be somewhere around the 6.5 to 7% range. Moving on to ARM rates. ARM rates right now for clients with great credit, you can get you a rate somewhere around the 5.5% range. And if you're struggling with credit, it will be anywhere from a 6 to a 6.5% interest rate that you'll receive. Moving on to investor rates. Right now, if you're an investor looking to purchase an investment property, your interest rate would be somewhere around 7%. And if you're an investor struggling with credit, your interest rate could be anywhere from 7.5 all the way up to 8%. Let's take a look at these down payment assistance rates. We'll start with T-Shack. T-Shack is only offering its 3-year forgivable lien at the moment, and there are very limited options for down payment assistance at the moment. If you're a regular FHA, USDA, or VA buyer seeking down payment assistance, you can only receive the 2% grant at the moment, and your interest rate will be 7.125%. The only other option T-Shack has at the moment is for conventional buyers under the area median income, and you guys' interest rate for the 2% grant would be 7.375%, and for the 3% grant, it would be 7.625%. Now, with T-Shack being so limited in the options that it has for first-time home buyers, we definitely want to take a look at TDHCA as well. So TDHCA actually is the complete opposite of T-Shack. They only offer a repayable lien, but the interest rates are slightly better. If you guys were looking to get down payment assistance with TDHCA, you guys would take an interest rate anywhere from 5.8 all the way up to, I would say, about 6.5%. Let's move on to what I'm seeing in the market. Right now, here in the state of Texas, not much has changed since last week. This is still a buyer's market. So if you're out on the market with your buyer, don't be afraid to ask for seller concessions. Ask for the title policy to be paid for, ask for surveys to be paid for, and ask for seller credits in general. Homes are sitting on the market a lot longer, so these sellers are getting anxious to sell their home, so they're willing to negotiate. So make sure you are negotiating with these sellers to get your buyer the best price. That's basically all I'm seeing here in the state of Texas. You guys feel free to comment below on what's going on in your particular market. I would love to talk about it. All right, guys, the moment everyone's been waiting for, the special topic of the week is the documentation you'll need to be pre-qualified for your home loan. So whether you're a W-2 employee or a self-employed borrower, we're going to go over the documentation you'll need to be pre-approved. Let's start with our W-2 borrowers. If you're a W-2 borrower, you'll need a month's worth of pay stubs, a month's worth of bank statements, your driver's license, and your W-2s for the last 2 years. Your lender will use your pay stubs to calculate your income for the year, and depending upon which loan product you choose, it'll let them know how much of a home you can afford. Your pay stubs are used strictly for closing costs and earnest money. When it comes to purchasing a home, everything has to be sourced. So a lender will look at your bank account just to verify where the funds came from for your earnest money and for your closing costs. And lastly, you'll need your W-2s and your ID card. Your W-2s actually verifies your 2-year work history, which is required for almost all loan products, and your ID card just obviously verifies who you are. Now let's take a look at the documents you'll need if you're a self-employed borrower. If you're self-employed, we won't take a look at your pay stubs, we would look at your last 2 years of tax returns. We'll look at your taxable income for the last 2 years, give you an average, and that is what we would use to qualify you for your home loan. If you're a self-employed borrower looking to purchase a home here in the near future, make sure you be wary of the tax write-offs you take because we do qualify you off your taxable income. Now, the other documents are pretty much the same as the W-2 borrowers. We would need your bank statements to verify closing costs and earnest money. We would need your ID card to verify who you are as well. All right, guys, that's basically all I have for you this week. Feel free to comment below on what you guys are seeing in your particular market. I would love to hear where you guys' interest rates are, whether you guys think it's a buyer's or a seller's market. Comment below. Let's have a discussion. But remember, buy, sell, or refi, I'm your guy. No matter where you stay, we can help you in all 50 states. Feel free to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can stay up to date on all things real estate.